Understanding, phoning it in, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, phoning it in. This is a common idiom in the English language, often used in both professional and casual settings. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, phoning it in, refers to doing something with minimal effort or lack of enthusiasm. It implies that the person is not fully engaged or committed to the task at hand. Originally, it suggested that instead of being physically present or fully involved, someone was just calling in to fulfill their obligation, without putting in the necessary effort or attention. To understand this idiom better, let's look at its origin. Phoning it in is believed to have originated in the show business industry. Actors or performers who did not perform live but sent their performances over the phone were said to be phoning it in. This practice indicated a lack of commitment or enthusiasm, as they were not physically present to give their best performance. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. For example, he didn't really focus on the project, he was just phoning it in. You can tell she's not interested in her job anymore, she's been phoning it in for months. In these examples, phoning it in suggests a lackluster performance or minimal effort being put into an activity or job. While understanding this phrase is important, it's also vital to know how not to phone it in. This involves being fully engaged in your tasks, showing enthusiasm and commitment, striving for quality in your work or activities. By focusing on these aspects, you can ensure that you're always giving your best and not just phoning it in. And that's a wrap on phoning it in. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this idiom and how it's used in the English language. Remember, it's all about the effort and enthusiasm you put into your work. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.